When it comes to meal preparation and food, mainly, we do things the hard way without knowing there's a more comfortable and healthier way available. In this video on parshealthhtv, we are going to be sharing with you 15 common foods you're eating wrong. Stay tuned with us. Number 15. Red wine. The belief that it can protect your health seems to be true, but when you consume in moderation. More than 1 drink per day for females and 2 for males sends the impacts in the other direction. Heavy wine drinking can harm the liver and heart, damage an unborn child, and make it more possible to get some types of cancer. Number 14. Tomatoes. Raw veggies are healthy, but some veggies like tomatoes are more useful when cooked. Cooking tomatoes really makes them more nutritious. According to essays, cooked tomatoes have around 5 times more lycopene to be absorbed into your blood than raw. Cooked tomatoes are potent cancer-fighting veg too. Number 13. Cantaloupe. Even though you don't want to eat the peel of this melon, you should give it a good scrub with a fruit brush before you cut into it. If you want to get rid of the dirt and bacteria that could be entangled in the rough skin so you don't distribute germs onto the flesh as you cut, you should wash it carefully. Unlike other fruits, cantaloupe hasn't enough natural acid to destroy bacteria. Keep the entire cantaloupe as well as the slices in the fridge. Number 12. Onions and garlic. From a health viewpoint, it is essential to allow the veggies such as garlic and onion to rest after chopping them, no matter how much they hurt your eyes. According to health experts, the cancer-fighting combinations and flavonoids are activated only when the cell walls are damaged by slashing or cutting. So, when you instantly put them in the wok, the reaction blocks, and you get 0 advantages. Number 11. Pasta. Overcooked pasta becomes mushy and has a higher glycemic index, GI, so your body quickly absorbs carbs. Slightly flexible al dente pasta tastes more delicious and is better for you. Drain it soon after it loses the extreme crunch, even if there's even a trace of darker yellow inside. The kind of pasta will impact its cooking time. Begin testing for doneness before the earliest time suggested on the package. Number 10. Orange. With this trick, grab a sharp knife and slice off the orange's top and bottom. Now you don't have to keep punching your thumb and making a mess. Make one piece into the orange, and simply unroll it, and then you keep all of your orange wedges unchanged, ready for snacking. Having the whole fruit is better for you. Number 9. Broccoli. Steam broccoli. That's the best cooking technique to get the most bang per bite. Boiling, microwaving, and stir-frying break down vitamin C, chlorophyll, proteins, and other healthy substances. And the faster the cooking time, the more nutrients you keep. To add flavor, dress up steamed broccoli with a bit of olive oil, sea salt, or lemon juice. Number 8. Potatoes. Cooled to room temperature or chilled in potato salad, they'll deliver more resistant starches, which take more time to digest. These help support your gut health and may reduce your chances of obesity, diabetes, and colon cancer. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 7. Number 7. Eggs. In just 80 calories, 1 large egg provides you about 7 grams of high-quality protein, all 9 of the necessary amino acids your body needs, and lots of vitamin D, which is difficult to get from food. But all that excellence gets offset when you cook it in oil and add a pile of pancakes leaking in butter and syrup with a side of bacon and hash browns. You can have your eggs simmered with some sautéed spinach or hard-boiled on whole grain toast. Number 6. Water. Bottled water is good for remaining hydrated, but it presumably doesn't have enough of one vital ingredient to maintain teeth strong and help control tooth decay: fluoride. Almost all dentists, dental, and public health organizations support adding the mineral to public water. The CDC recalled it as a top 10 achievement for public health in the 20th century. Number 5. Cabbage. Change it to sauerkraut or kimchi. Fermented meals like this, made when bacteria feed on sugars in the vegetable, have natural probiotics that feed the healthy bacteria in your gut. They can protect you against cardiovascular disorders, cancer, and diabetes. But if you're worried about heart health or high blood pressure, sauerkraut has higher sodium than raw cabbage. Number 4. Fruit. It is better to munch your fruit and consume water when thirsty, particularly if you're already overweight or have a disease like diabetes. Even 100% pure fruit juice loses nutritional value when it's processed. Juice also doesn't have the fiber that provides you a feeling of fullness and delays the absorption of sugar into your digestive system. Regular sugar spikes from fruit juice lead to health issues such as diabetes, obesity, and even liver damage. Number 3. Canned veggies. There is no need to cook them twice. Canning is a surprisingly great way to keep your veggies nutrition and freshness, but they get cooked in the process. So after you buy them, you should only heat them long enough to warm up again. Longer than that can destroy flavor, texture, and even nutrients. Number 2. Red meat. It's a wonderful source of protein, niacin, vitamin B12, zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. The problem is that it can also be packed with saturated fat, which should only make up a small portion of your diet. Select lean cuts, and trim all the fat you can notice off your meat before you cook it. Number 1. Coffee. Along with the caffeine boost, its antioxidants protect your cells. It can be a low-calorie option instead of sugar-sweetened soft drinks, but only if you don't add syrup, sugar, and cream to some coffees. Choose the basic brew, and pass on the double caramel mocha frappe latte chino filled in a bucket-sized cup. Which one of these foods are you eating wrong? Share your ideas and experiences in the comment section below. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen.